Hey, Motorman here. I got another tip for you. Now, I see so many people, especially shorter people or women, that want to lower their motorcycle. When you lower your motorcycle, you're reducing your lean angle. Plus, you're making the bike ride very stiff. That should be your absolute last resort. On Harleys, the stock seat height, I believe, is about 28 inches. Now, this particular seat is from Harley Davidson, and it's called a reach seat. What it does is it's thinner up front here, and it pushes you forward, so that the average smaller rider, my wife is only 5'4", and she could flat foot this bike. In addition, they make another seat she has on her other Harley Davidson. I think they call it the Ultra Reach seat, which brings her another 2 inches closer to the handlebars. So being that the seat is very narrow over here, it's easier to get your feet down. So the last thing you want to do is lower your shock absorbers. The seat is a lot cheaper than lowering the bike and a lot safer. It doesn't change anything. Now, the reason I mentioned the Harley Davidson reach seat is there are other seats that are quite a bit lower that I've seen, but what happens is if the seat is just lower than stock, it pushes you further back from the bars. So in addition to the seat being lower here, narrower here, it has to push you forward so you'll still be in the stock position or even closer to the handlebars. The closer you are to the bars, the more leverage you have to turn those handlebars. Very simple thing. I've seen these on eBay used. You can get it for, I don't know, 150 bucks. I think from Harley they're about 250. I could be wrong about that, so don't quote me on it, but somewhere around there. So if you think that you can't flat foot your bike, or you need to get closer to the ground, the first thing you should try is the seat. It's the cheapest way and the safest way. It's not going to affect your ride or your handling. Until next week.